Good morning.
Ma'am, I have written the table.
Very good. Today I'm going to ask the tables also from you all. So, a very good morning to all of you. Are you all ready for the tables till 15? Yes. Meantime, I'm going to present my screen. I will present and I will give you some questions here on the screen. So, meantime, you complete your revision, and meantime, I will ask the tables also from you all.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am.
Please ask.
Ma'am, we can add the tables 12 to 15 in Max notebook also because I have written 12 to 15 table in Max notebook. Is that okay?
It is okay, but when we are doing the revision or when we are writing the tables, you please write it in the revision notebook,
Okay, ma'am.
because revision notebook is having a lot of space, and if you write the tables also in your maths notebook, then your maths notebook will be very soon finished. Got it? So now I'm going to present my screen here. Is my worksheet visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Write today's date, write the revision, write these questions. One by one, we will discuss also these questions. Okay, find the number of minutes in 4 hours and 50 minutes is. That you have to calculate and tell me, then I will write the answer here. Second question is dash days a fortnight. You all know what is fortnight?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can say what is the meaning of fortnight.
Yes, what is fortnight?
Fortnight means like, for, like a day, after day, like fortnight after night. Ma'am,
How
I just
many how
I
many days are included in a fortnight?
one.
One day.
Hello, ma'am. Can I? Two, ma'am. Two. Can I
Moksh
say?
is saying something. Listen to it now. Yes, Moksh.
In fortnight, there are totally 14 days because fortnight means 2 weeks.
Yes, fortnight means 2 weeks. Whenever someone asks from you that you went for the uh, trip somewhere out, and instead of you say that I went for 2 weeks, you can say I went for one fortnight. Fortnight means 14
14.
days equals to 2 weeks. Both the answers are correct. If you write two
Ma'am,
weeks, if you write 14 days, answer is correct. Yes, Rajiv Lahoti.
I can say first one.
Yes, Rajveer has calculated the first one. Yes, Rajveer, tell me. So
Ma'am,
here you
290
can write,
minutes.
yes, how many minutes?
290.
How you calculated? Can you tell us?
Ma'am, I calculate 60 plus 60 plus 60
Hmm.
uh, 4 times and plus 50.
Okay, so let me also calculate what is the correct answer. Meantime, you
Ma'am,
students, please write it in your notebooks.
ma'am, my 14 and 15 half table is uh, I have I can do it.
No, after the class. Right now, you do this revision. What you told, Rajiv, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 290.
Yes. 290 minutes is the correct answer. How he calculated? Either you can 4 hours multiply by 60 plus when you do 50, which is already in minutes, you will get the answer, which is 290 minutes. Please
Ma'am,
write the
you
minutes also in the end. Or
ma'am, you have
either
to
you
write.
can add 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 64 times, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 4 hour equals to how many minutes? 4 times 60, add them and add 50 at the last also. Please do this.
Ma'am, I can say the question two. Ma'am,
Yes, question 2 already discussed. Yes, tell me, Vedant.
14 days a fortnight or 2 weeks of fortnight.
2 weeks or 14 days. Both the answers are correct. Ram went for a shopping. Please do this. Meantime, I will ask the tables and then we will write the correct answer here on the screen. I hope everyone is doing. Everyone is doing? Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are
Yes,
doing.
please do this in your notebooks.
I'm in revision, na?
Yes, my dear, in the revision only. Okay, so Manya. Manya table. Okay, 13 6. Manya 13 6.
Ma'am, 78.
14 4.
Ma'am, 56. Ma'am, I know the answer, ma'am, to the question to you, ma'am.
You write the answers also. Write it, then we will discuss at the end.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you correct it whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay? At the end, we will discuss. Manya 12 6.
Ma'am, 72.
Is Nishwa there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Nishwa, you have learned the tables?
Yes.
13 4.
13 4, ma'am. 56. Sorry, ma'am. 52. 52, ma'am.
12 9.
12 9 108.
14 7.
98.
14 7.
84.
No. 96.
96.
Dania.
Yes, ma'am.
13 8.
13 8 104.
13 8.
104.
107.
13 8
No, 104. Yeah. Yes. 12 9.
12 9 108.
14 4.
14 4 56.
Vihan Dobaria.
Yes.
Vihan 13 5.
13 5 65.
12 9.
12 9 108.
14 9.
14 9 126. Hello, ma'am. 14 7 is 98 only.
14 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who told the 98?
Nishwa.
Nishwa. Yeah, Nishwa is correct. Yes, Niva.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishwa, you are correct, huh? Nishwa, are you listening me? You were correct. 14 7 98. Yeah, we will go to the next child.
Question 5.
Yeah.
Ma'am, question 5, shape of a brick is
What is the shape of a brick?
it will be a rectangle.
आपने कब rectangular shape में brick देखी है बच्चा? Only when you see the one face of a brick that is in the rectangular shape.
No, ma'am, rectangular. No, cuboid.
Yes. The first chapter was based on that only. Okay, Niva.
Yes, ma'am.
Niva 12 7.
12 7 84.
13 4.
52.
14 4.
56.
Granth. Rajvi Lahoti. Children, if you don't give the answer in the first response, I will move to the next child. Then I will mark your 0 in the grades. Rajvi Lahoti is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. I go to washroom.
Yeah, okay. Now you're there. Rajveer, can I ask?
Yes, ma'am. He's there.
But can I ask from him why he is not responding me? Can I
Ma'am,
ask
with
Rajveer?
Rajvi.
Yes, please give me answer. Rajveer, tell me 14 Idza.
He's saying which Rajveer? Rajveer Lahote or
Lahoti, Lahoti. Rajveer Lahoti,
Ma'am, 14.
Idza. Can I move, Rajveer? You know 14 Idza?
Ma'am,
This is very difficult when you don't give the answer. Rajveer, turn on your mic.
yes, ma'am.
You know the tables.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask you? Don't turn off it. Turn it on in only. Turn on your mic. You will give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, I will move to the next child and give you the 0 grades.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Please, can you show the
Yes.
document?
Rajvi, now tell me what is 14 sixa?
14 6, ma'am.
Yes.
1. 14.
Okay, tell me 12 eights. 12
Ma'am,
8s are fast.
ma'am, 104.
12 eights.
Yes, ma'am.
Wrong. Next, 13 fives.
Ma'am, 70. No, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am, ma'am, no, ma'am, 65.
Hmm. Ane. Rajvi Nikhare.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajvi Nikhare is answering me. Because when I present the screen, I am not able to see you all. So you need to be alert, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Rajvi, tell me. 12 nines.
12 9 are 108.
12, 13 fours.
52.
14 eights.
Ma'am, I don't know.
1 1 2. Aradhya. Jigar Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
12 nines.
12 9 are 108, ma'am.
13 sevens.
13 7 are 91.
14 six.
84.
Hmm. Good. Dhyan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
12 fours.
12.
12 fours.
46.
48. 13 threes. 13 threes. 14 twos.
14 to the 28.
Kevian.
Yes, ma'am.
12 six.
12 6 are 72.
13 fours are
13 fours are 52.
14 fives are 14 fives are you don't know. Okay, next child, Tej Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
12 eights are
12 eights are 196.
13 nines are
13 nines are 117.
14 eights are
14 eights are 112.
Viva.
Yes, ma'am.
Viva 12
Yes,
sevens
ma'am.
are
12 7 plus 7, 84.
13 eights are
13 is the 104.
14 eights are
14 is the 112.
Bhavya Sagar.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya
Yes,
12
ma'am.
12 eights are
12 8s are 96.
13 six are
13 6. 78.
14 fours are
56.
Vishrut.
Yes, ma'am.
12 nines are
108.
13 six are
72. No, 78.
14 nines are
Ma'am, 110.
14 nines are
112.
126. Divit.
Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to tell you something.
Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, Kashvi is doing class with me because her laptop is not working and mobile also.
Okay. Kashvi, this you need to explain me, inform me in the beginning, no? Bacha, why he is informing me?
Ma'am, I forgot to inform you. Excuse
I will
me,
ask from you also. Yeah, wait. Let me take the attendance. Then Kashvi, your turn will also come. Because as I was thinking that Kashvi is not there in the class.
ma'am, there are only 6 questions, no?
No, no. There are more also. I will scroll it down. Done till 6, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, until
Hmm?
6 are done.
Yes, ma'am. Until
Do till, do till 10. There are 10 questions.
Ma'am, my chance.
Yeah, your chances will also come. Suchi. Divit is done, na?
No, ma'am.
Divit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, Divit, 12 eights are
12 8s, 96.
13 fours are
13 4s are 52.
14 sevens are 14 sevens are
14 7s are 90. No, ma'am. 14 7s are
98.
90.
Moksha.
Yes, ma'am.
12 sevens are
12 sevens are 84.
13 nines are
13 nines are 117.
14 six are
14 six are 84.
Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
12 six are
12 six are 72.
13 eights are
13 eights are 13 eights are 112. No.
104.
Okay, ma'am.
14
Yes,
14 fives are
Yes, ma'am.
Vedant only will give me the answer. Suchi, then yours is last. 14 fives are Vedant.
14 fives are 14 fives are
14 fives are what?
2 minutes. 70.
Yes. Suchi,
Yes, ma'am.
12 six are
12, 72, ma'am.
let me pin students. Yeah. 13 eights are
104.
you are looking
Ma'am, can
somewhere
you,
and then telling me the table, right?
ma'am,
Yesterday you have
can you
written in the
open
notebook,
that
you are reading from
document?
there. Wait a minute. I purposely did this. Wait a minute. I want to pin and then want to see the student. Yes, Ruchi. You are reading from the notebook. Okay. Suchi, 14 fours are
56.
12 eights are
Ma'am, may I drink water?
yes, please. Suchi, 12 eights are
96.
Next is Kashvi.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Kashvi, 12 fives are
Ma'am, 12 fives are 60.
13 sevens are
84.
13 sevens are
No, sorry, 91, 91.
14 fours are
14 was a 52.
14 fours are 56.
86. 86
56.
na 56.
56, not 86. Granth is there. Let me check the Granth students. Granth and Ane are there.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ane is also not
No,
there.
ma'am. Granth and Anar, I know that both are. No, Aradin is also not there.
Aradhya is also not there. Okay. Rest everyone is done. Is there any child who is left?
No. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Done everyone?
Ma'am.
Yes.
You can scroll up this revision. Ma'am, Bhavya Sagar is left.
Bhavya Sagar left the class.
You can show question 3. Ma'am, Bhavya Sagar is in the class, but you don't ask him.
Oh, Bhavya Sagar,
Done.
I asked. Yes.
Ma'am, you can show question 3.
Which question you want to see, Tej Kumar? 10th one, na?
Third.
Third one. You are still on the third one.
We have to write.
Okay, I'm giving you the answers. Ram went for shopping at 5 p.m. and came back after 3 hours 25 minutes. At what time he came back?
Ma'am, can I say 8:25?
Vishrut, what time?
8:25.
Ma'am,
Yes.
8:25 p.m.
8:25 p.m. Very good. You need
But
don't
we
forget
can write like this also, not 8:25 p.m. or 20:25 p.m. in 24-hour clock.
Yes, you can write in that way also.
Can you show question 10? Question number 8.
I will come on that. I'm writing the answers. Shape of a dice is?
Cube. Cuboid.
Who is saying cuboid?
Vishrut.
Which is wrong. Cube. This is a cube. This is a dice. This is a dice. This is a dice. And dice having all the faces in the shape of a square. It is having 6 faces.
Ma'am, because in the that question I have seen that it is cuboid. But it means brick, that's why.
Brick is cuboid. Dice is cube. Please check your answers, students. According to rule 7 in dice, what is the opposite number of 3? 4.
4, ma'am.
Done. Answer 4 is done. Write 3:30 a.m. in 24-hour clock time.
15:30.
3:30.
How many of you are saying 15:30? Raise your hand. Raise your virtual hand, those who are saying 15:30. Those who are saying 15:30, their answer is wrong.
No, ma'am, it is right.
AM is used, bacha. When it is AM, we will not write at the 12 hours. It will remain 3:30, but we will add hours at the end. So to write it into 4 digit, we write 0330 hours. It will remain 3:30.
But I have written only 3:30 a.m.
Who written? That is the reason. No, 3:30 a.m. means when it is a.m., when we are converting into 24-hour clock time, the time will remain the same. We will not add 12 hours in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written 3:30 a.m. not 15.
No, 0330. There should 4 digits compulsory in the 24-hour clock time. And remove AM, write hours when you are converting them into 24-hour clock time. 8:45 p.m. What will be the timing?
20:45 p.m.
2 hours, not AM and PM. Hours. Don't write AM and PM along with in the 24-hour clock time. When both the hands of a clock are at 6, what is the time?
6:30.
6:30.
It is only 6:30, or someone will use 6:30 AM or 6:30 PM?
PM.
6:30.
No.
Ma'am, it will be only
It
6:30.
will be only 6:30.
Can you show question number 9?
When I am explaining, and that's why I have stopped the presentation. Only 6:30, no AM and PM, because here they are saying only both the hands are on 6. You are not aware whether it is a morning 6 or a evening 6. So no AM or PM. Only write 6:30. Time is 6:30. Add 3 hours 36 minutes and 2 hours 54 minutes. This you need to solve it and tell me how you are going to solve this, the question number 10, which is little difficult for you all.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, dear, tell me.
Means we will add this.
Yes, word add is written. You need to add it. Minutes and hours. Add it and tell me.
Ma'am, I can say take.
Ma'am, Moksh.
Ma'am, 5 hours and 90 minutes. We will not
Wrong.
write.
Wrong. I told you how to add and subtract the hours and minutes.
Ma'am, 6 hours and 30 minutes.
6 hours and 30 minutes.
Yes. I will tell you how. Write the. Wait.
Ma'am, because we have learned this method.
We have learned this method that 3 will be in the hours, 36 will go in the minutes, then come down, write the another hours, which is 2 hours, 54 minutes, and when you add it, what you will add first, you will add the minutes, and when you are adding 6 plus 4 is 10, so you will write 0, and then you add 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9. When the minute is showing 90 minutes, we cannot write the 90 minutes here. Why we cannot write the 90 minutes? Because when it is more than 60 minutes, we convert them into the hour. So we subtract the 60 minutes from here.
And ma'am, we have to plus
Then we
1
have to write,
hour.
yes, then we have to write the 30 in the minutes. And we have added 1 here in the hour, so the hour will be 6 hours. So the answer is 6 hours, 30 minutes. You have to solve in this way. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to show the method
So-
also.
See, in the Google form, you need not to show this much big. You have to write the final answer when it is coming in the exam. But you need to solve it in the notebook, then find the final answer. अगर नोटबुक में इस तरीके से सॉल्व नहीं करोगे तो आपका आंसर नहीं आएगा.
Hello, ma'am, but I have only means put and cross on 90 and write 30.
Yes, that also right.
Ma'am,
That
can
up
you
to
show
you.
question number 10?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Clear, everyone, how to solve this addition?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
When
ma'am.
it is
Ma'am, can you show question number 8?
when minutes are less than 60, then no need to subtract the 60. अगर आपका मिनट्स दोनों मिनट्स को ऐड करने, फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर, आई हैव गिवन यू 2-3 hours and minutes, 2-3 ग्रुप दिए हैं मैंने, and you are adding them, then also your 60 is not coming, it is 48 minutes only, so you write 48 minutes only. Don't need to subtract the 60, no need to convert them into the hours. When the hour minutes are less than 60, no need to convert them into hours. When it is more than 60, convert them into the hours. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Today I am going to send this also in your classroom, so those who have not completed, they can complete
Ma'am,
this.
done.
Thank you, students, for today's class. Are you all clear with the concepts? Please
Yes,
prepare
ma'am.
yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come prepare on Monday for the chapter number 6, Junk Sailor. We will do the revision of chapter number 6 also.
Okay, ma'am. Bye,
Chapter
ma'am.
5 is clear, how the way the world looks.
Ma'am, we are ready for this.
Yes.
Bye,
Bye,
Come prepare.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.